Hello everyone, and we're doing a roasted duck with duck sauce. The duck sauce was included, so I am including it to the recipe. But if you don't have duck sauce, pack it in there, then just don't use that part. Or if you do, there's other recipes out there that have duck sauce, but depending on what it is, it can be difficult, and depending on what kind of taste. If you're using pecan duck, there's a specific way. If you're using just regular duck sauce in a specific way, so make sure if you're looking for that recipe to understand what it's supposed to be included with, because most of them are very similar, but there are some deviations to it. So let's get into it right now. It's very easy. One thing, I defrosted the duck. It took about 4 hours, but it depending on how frozen it is and how big it is, it can go a smaller thing. Then we put it in. I did not take the contents. There was only, like, I believe, a heart or a liver in there. But I always like to cook everything inside with it, because one thing some people enjoy eating it, and it also increases taste. The other thing is that a lot of recipes do not say is to add water to it. The reason why is because I base everything with its own juices and basically take it out. And it also helps with burning, because duck can become, if you overcook it, it becomes tough. So the best thing to do is to baste it in its own juices and to help it work it out. And also, we're going to season it, and we're also going to do a bit of a rub and then put it in. So I'm first using pepper. And remember, we're having a duck sauce with it, so it's going to sweeten up. So don't worry about that. But also be very aware of the fact that, some people have issues with salt and pepper. So don't be heavy on it. But, it's my house, and my Thanksgiving, so I am doing what I like to do. But always be aware of that. We're going to take the top off of this one. And we're going to, because that's the main ingredient, is thyme. And you can see, I'm going to put some in there. And also into the water. We're going to, because it's roasting, but it also is basking in its own juices. So we don't want to have it where it's not getting everything right back to it. And then we're going to rub it, meaning we're going to just do just like it says. Make sure all the pieces, even inside, are getting your right amount. And because some things are over the water, because you have everything in there, it is good. So next we're putting it at 350 degrees. It's already hot because we just finished a ham. And we're going to put it in. We're going to put it in for about 3 hours, and then it'll be done. So that'll be great. We're at 11:20. We'll come back to it. I'm going to show a little part of basting if I can. And see you guys later.